Lagundi, also known as Vitex Negundo, is one of the most trusted herbal medicines in the Philippines. It is approved by the Department of Health as a natural remedy for cough, colds, and asthma. Studies show that Lagundi contains anti-inflammatory and analgesic compounds that help relax the airways and ease breathing. It also supports faster recovery from respiratory infections without harmful side effects. You can drink Lagundi tea or syrup, made from its leaves to relieve cough and sore throat naturally. Protect your lungs the natural way with Lagundi. Like, share, follow, and subscribe to Healthy Living PH for more herbal health tips and remedies.